Hi guys, welcome to another video on Upgrade with Asif. Well, first of all, I would like to thank each one of you for all the lovely likes and the beautiful comments that you've put up on my previous YouTube videos. It has really made it worthwhile and encouraged me to make more educational videos for you. Well, today's video is completely going to be based on the good coaches and the bad coaches which are on the digital or the e-learning platform today. My video is completely based on the research that I've made in these last 5 months. I'm going to be sharing this mind map with you on the system. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you today for you to understand better the kind of research and the pointers that I will be emphasizing on. So let's quickly get to my screen. So if you see, the results are completely based on the research that I've made. Okay, I've attended more than 200 plus webinars in the last 5 months, and some of those webinars were repetitions as well. The reason I went through repetitions was because I wanted to see whether if these webinars are pre-recorded, whether if they're repeating the entire content, and whether if they have the same Q&A sessions wherein the entire session is pre-planned. And to my surprise, I came across a lot of pre-planned sessions as well. All these webinars, my friends, were related to career growth. Obviously, because I was doing my research on career growth. I've also observed that most of these people were tech savvy with no real time experience in career counseling. We obviously in this stage where people are sitting at home and looking forward to educate themselves and upgrade and upskill themselves, we really are in need of some real time experienced people. Trust me guys, if you have the right experience, you are a good coach and you have been doing this even for like 3 years or 4 years, and you expertise in your field. That can be either leadership coaching, that can be career counseling, that can be career growth, that can be choosing the right career path, irrespective. But if you are experts, trust me guys, you are already done through this difficult phase. Coming online, it's a technical part, but trust me, it is no rocket science. It is very simple. I myself have not been a technical person, and today I'm editing my own videos. I've made my own website. It's very simple. I've kind of upgraded myself in the lockdown. I'm telling you guys, if you are the guys who can give the right information and save this e-learning platform, this place is for you. You can explore and you can definitely increase your reach, not only limited to your city, but you can reach nationally as well as internationally, my friends. Okay, now this video is completely made with an intent of educating, avoiding any kind of monetary loss. That means if you investing money behind the wrong career coach and then regretting later, or avoid any kind of time loss. If you follow a coach who practically has never been into career counseling or has never had a career in the past, yes, it's going to lead to a lot of precious time that's going to be wasted, and wasting of time is priceless, my friends. There's no payback for that. Okay. Now, I've been into career counseling for more than 15 years, and I have kind of a professional as well as an emotional attachment with this particular industry. And I really have a problem if people are not following the right ethics. They are not genuinity. That means they're not very genuine about this entire procedure of career counseling. If it's not done genuinely, then obviously it's a blood boiling situation for me, because it's really not appreciable, because it's somebody's life, it's somebody's future that, you know, people don't need to play with just for their monetary benefits, and that's really important these days. And obviously with an intent of saving the e-learning platform, my friends. So the e-learning platform right now, it's growing. It's going to be approximately 385 billion till 2025, as per predictions by multinationals. And this is going to be the next big thing. There are a lot of teachers and influencers and coaches out there, yes, who have a very bright future, but if they do this in the right way. So let's quickly jump back to the mind map of the good coaches and the bad coaches. So first we will start with the indications of a bad coach. And I have all these pointers written over here in this mind map. Now, these are some pointers and I will start elaborating on what this is. These are completely based on the research that I've done after watching 200 plus webinars, my friends. It's a lot of time investment. So please hear this out very carefully. And whenever you attend any next webinar and opt in for any career counselors, please go through this video again and go through these pointers. And if you find any of these indications, trust me, I think it's about time for you to step back. So let me begin with this quickly. The first point over here is immediate results. So what's in immediate results? Guaranteeing a job in 30 days. So guys, you need to understand, whenever you go through any career counseling course, it is your implementation time, which you might probably, it might take you a lot of time to implement that particular training. If anybody is telling you, you take up this course and I'm going to guarantee you a job in 30 days, because it never depends on the course, my friends. It completely depends on you, your learning abilities, and how soon you implement these trainings. So if anybody tells you, take up this training and within 30 days you'll have a job, please be careful with these words. Get any job and designation desired, which is fairly not true, my friends. Because if you are expertising in a particular industry, let me give you an example. If you are from the automobile industry and you want to switch to the aviation industry, okay, you cannot just go and choose, okay, now I'm done with automobile, now I need to go to aviation. There has to be some education, there has to be some experience to back up your decision of choosing that particular industry, right? So if anybody tells you, you can get any job or any designation after this training, it is just completely not true. I think you got to stop that webinar right there and not move forward with the same. The third point, sorry for that. The third point over here is, get a job as per your comfort zone. Jobs, my friends, is not as per comfort zone, especially in this era where things are upgrading, technology is taking over. In this is the phase where you come out of your comfort zone. Yes, what you could probably do is follow your passion, follow your ambitions, see what you're passionate about, and then you can choose the course you want to, you can choose the stream that you want to follow, where you look forward to upgrade yourself. So there is no way that you will be able to get a job as per your comfort zone. You will have to step out of the comfort zone. People who are trying to keep you in the comfort zone and trying to tell you that you being in in your comfort zone, you will be able to get a job of your choice. It is not the right way. It's not how the laws of this world work. I wish that it was that simple. Then nobody in this world would have had any kind of problems. Okay. So now coming to the next point, which is, let me just minimize this for you, which is rich overnight. Yes, now this is one very good selling point or selling strategy that most of these career coaches use, and then you have to be really careful with this. There are some webinars we've seen where we've seen people saying that triple your salary in the next 90 days. Triple your salary in the next 90 days. How is this technically possible? You cannot triple your salary. There is no company out there where you will go and you have, for example, if you are earning $100 a month, you cannot go anywhere and, put in your profile and ask for $300. It is really not justified. I have seen some webinars where people have guaranteed that you will be able to triple your salary in 90 days. So guys, please be careful with this. Employers will pay you, employers will pay what you ask for post this course. Okay, now might be it sounds funny to you because I am telling you this from an intention and I'm telling you this from an intent where I'm indicating the bad coaches and their selling strategies. But trust me, I have seen these people make crazy number of sales with the kind of feedback that they give. Yes, it comes back to them in terms of reviews, but reviews can also be managed. The reviews that come up on Facebook and YouTube, the bad reviews can be deleted and the good reviews can be kept. But yes, these people get it back in terms of reviews and they always think short term. They don't think long term. So please don't let people take advantage of you. Last, your salary has nothing to do with your current expectations. Definitely your salary has everything to do with the current expectations. If you go to any employer, that employer will definitely ask you, what is your current salary, my friend? Nobody is going to tell you, I don't care what your last one salary is. You performed really well. I want to give you a private jet. I want to give you a limousine. That's not possible, my friends. That is just not possible at all. You have standard hikes. There are some companies, multinational and Fortune 500 companies, that follow policies of anywhere between a 30% to a 50% hike, depends on your performance during the interview. So just be very careful with this, my friends. So let me just minimize this very quickly and jump to the next point. Magical spell. Okay, so let me explain this magical spell here. Some people say that, to get any job, confidence is the key. There are some abilities, your skills, your hard skills, your soft skills, what you expertise in, all these things matter equally. If you are just going in terms of confidence to get a job, then my friends, it will come across as overconfidence, which is very bad. So confidence is just not the only key of getting a job. There are a lot of things that have to be put into the box for the box to be very attractive, there has to be a lot of things. It's basically a merger of a lot of skills and a lot of positivities and your expertise and all the good qualities in you, and conveying that confidently. Okay, there's a difference in just being confident, and there's a difference in conveying things confidently. Next point, if you don't buy this course, now your life is going to be crap. I don't need this money, I have options, it's your loss. Sorry for that. So yes, I've seen a lot of career counselors there who say that, I've just put up this course, it is the miscellaneous expenses I need to take care of. I have a lot of businesses, I have a lot of other businesses, I'm flourishing in these businesses. I don't need this money. If you don't take this course now, it is your loss because this money is not for my benefit. Everybody is going to spend and invest time only when they have monetary benefits. And people who tell you, I don't need this money, it is for your benefit, you don't take it, it's your loss, your life is crap. Please be aware of these comments, and please stay away from these kind of people who make you believe that they don't need the world, but the world needs them. So be very careful over here. Success is guaranteed. Okay, there is no guarantee. Yes, a training can cover up and it can make you improvise, it can make you upskill, it can make you upgrade, but there is no course that will come up with a guarantee of giving you a job. If you admit, if you've been into schooling or probably you have your children who go to school, there's no school who will probably come to you and say that, you get your son's admission in school and will ensure that he's on an A grade. No, everybody has different tendencies, everybody has different capabilities of performance. It completely depends on how an individual performs during the interview. So the guarantee word, please stay away from that. Yes, they can show in the values and the knowledge that they will bring into you, which you can keep practicing and keep sharpening your axes with. But guaranteeing a job after the course is completed, it's something that I would not buy, at least. Then you will see a lot of mesmerizing video animations like dollars falling and cars emerging and all these other materialistic illusions that you will see on the screen just to attract your attention. Stay away from all that, my friends. Also, exotic locations. What I mean by exotic locations is, I got this job. After that, I was in Las Vegas. After that, I was in Dubai, Burj Khalifa. The fountain is there behind me. I'm posing and I have this big fountain behind me. It all happened because I took up this course. So please don't fall for the materialistic things. Please go for knowledge. Please go for value. That's more important. Let's move to the next point. Let me just close this quickly. Suicidal examples. This is trending. This is trending not only for career coaches, this is trending for business coaches as well, where I have seen that, people start off their webinar by saying that I had given up on my life. Was on the railway track. I was on the verge of ending my life. I was on the railway track educating, and basically they were educating on all means of ending life. Okay, this platform is basically to give education on career, not on means of how to end life. First of all, we are actually not in the right phase right now, and coming up with such suicidal examples is really terrible, and it's crap. The moment you hear anybody say that I was on the railway track, or probably I was about to hang myself, or any of that crap which the world, my friends, has to stay away from today, just stop that video, just opt out of that webinar immediately. It's the wrong platform to start off with. Like you see, stay away from emotional crap is what I've written here. And if you see, what I've written is, if all the above are conveyed during interviews, you'll be the first one who gets rejected. Imagine you go to any interview and you say that, I want to take up a job, I really want to be serious with life because I am thinking of ending my life otherwise. What are the examples that these career coaches are trying to set up by giving such examples? If you say this during interviews, my friends, the employer will be shit scared, sorry for my words, but shit scared to even hire you for the organization because you have suicidal tendencies. Nobody wants such people, who are psychologically affected. Nobody wants these kind of people working for the organizations. So please stay away from people who try to lead with examples in terms of suicidal examples. Please stay away from them. Selling on personal stories or on one-time examples. So be aware, stories always work. Like I said, please go on the values. Please go on the kind of information that is provided to you in the webinar, not on personal stories. Stories always work is why? Because a person would just go ahead and say, you are practically not going to the person's house to see whether if he is very well to do or whether if he exactly has the car that he's trying to convey. I don't know what a car has to do or what car he has to do with the particular webinar, but It's just the law of attraction that they're trying to use. So they are very good with attracting you and very good with selling. Might be they've studied law of attraction, but they've not studied career counseling. So stay away from people who are just selling their products on stories. Everyone is different and unique in their own way. So if anybody is going to sell you their one particular example, that doesn't mean it's going to work for you. There has to be a person who has a lot of examples, because that's when the experience comes in. Because there is something called luck, there is something called human nature, there is something called as human error as well. So might be something in some way has worked for some person. It's not compulsory that it is going to work for you the same similar manner. So please do not go on personal examples. Not all struggles are the same. I'm sure all of you agree to that. Not all struggles are the same. All of you definitely do realize that the kind of struggles you faced, you are as unique as your fingerprint, and you must have gone through your own struggles in your life. So please look at your personal benefits. Do not get influenced by anybody in the wrong manner, especially when they are using stories. Hustle is the only way. There has to be a hustle, my friends. Nothing is going to come easy to you. That's the truth pill that you will have to digest. That's a truth bomb that you have to really face, that everywhere it's a hustle. If things start coming that simply, then nobody is going to value success end of the day. So please understand that hustle is the only way, my friends. Stories and examples can be great, but if used in the right context. So stories and examples are right, my friends, but it has to be used in the right context, not in terms of, like we spoke about, suicidal tendencies and other personal examples. If you think it's not possible, or if you're getting this question of doubt in your mind, you're right. You have this sixth sense within you, which will definitely guide you in the right way, but then you have the laws of attraction that might attract you to the wrong things. And the law of attraction, the tendency is that you will get attracted to the wrong things faster than you get attracted to the right things in life. So let's jump to the last point, which is not all are bad. Yes, I've gone through almost 200 plus webinars. I've seen some really good career counselors out there, really genuine. There are some amazing coaches I've come across from different streams of business. Okay, get your R&D done. You are on a digital platform. You are seeing this person on the digital platform on your laptop or on your mobile. You can definitely go ahead. Social media is open for all. Go get some research done. Get into the person's profile. Do some research. Look at his profile. Look at his LinkedIn profile. Look at his Facebook profile. Look at all when he's come up on social media. If it's a profile which has just been come up approximately 6 months, his personal profile I'm talking about, might be he started the business new, so the business page might be new. But if you go to his personal profile and that is something you see that has come up in the last 1 year or 1.5 years, then it's questionable. It's undoubtedly questionable. So there are a lot of ways that you are smart enough to go ahead and get the research done on the digital platform itself. Look for knowledge, not for stories. I've already covered this point. I will not elaborate too much on that. Let the future online business look secure and promising. So like I said, this e-learning platform is the future, my friends. A lot of people are going to be choosing this mean in terms of education. So my main intent of making this video is also to ensure that this e-learning platform is the right platform for all of you to get educated, and you don't have any two thoughts on your mind before you take up a course or any counseling on the e-learning platform. Now let's quickly go to some indications of a good coach as well. So the good pointers that I've been able to pick up from the coaches who have done it the right way. So let's quickly jump to the mind map. Indications of a good coach helps you understand and gauge your abilities. A good coach will obviously make you go through a self-discovery phase, okay? Because till the time you don't realize where you stand, he will not be able to guide you in the right way. So it's very important if the person first helps you gauge your abilities as to where you stand on the basis of your previous feedbacks that you've received either in personal life or either in your previous employment or previous jobs that you've been employed with. Areas of improvement. So might be you are 100% in ABC and you are 50% in XYZ. So that's when the direction needs to be given to you. Right place to take action. Okay. So what I mean by right place to take action is he will show you the right places where you need to take action on. There are any gap within your skill sets or your experiences or any kind of knowledge that you have. He will obviously point out at the right places for you to take action. So that's what the point means. Okay. Gauge your EQSI. Experience, qualifications, skills, intelligence, learn from your previous experiences. If a person is guiding you through this entire procedure, you are definitely on the right track. Upgrade yourself. That's the next point. Focus on improvisation. Upskill yourself. Follow a good mentor coach with no repetitive content. Okay, so when you go to any coach and you see that he's not putting up a lot of repetitive content, then yes, definitely that's good. That's an indication of a good coach who's coming up with new content every day, because new content only comes with experience, my friends. It does not come with a one-time or a short learning phase. If somebody has been through that phase for more than 5 years, he will be able to get new and different content to you every day. Then the last point, sharpen your axes. Now this is other than you going through these courses. Please keep your axes sharpened at all times. You are the best person to help yourself. Being honest to yourself is eventually going to help you gauge the lows and the highs of your particular profile, and you will be able to self-discover yourself in a better way and work in the areas of improvisation, my friends. Align self-tasks and goals. Till the time you don't align yourselves, I have had a video on self-goals. I have a video on short-term and long-term goals also. So till the time you don't set up your short-term and long-term goals, it's like, you're blinded right now. If you have your daily goals and your long-term goals, you will have direction, my friends, and direction to take action, direction whether if you're moving in the right stream. Okay, do not let this corona phase rust you. I understand that all of you are now sitting at home. You don't get to go out. There's no traveling. There's no meeting friends. So don't let this rust you. Please invest this time in the right education where you can improvise on your communication. And like I said, all the missing points in your profile or the missing, you've been through interviews in the past. You see that what was the feedback provided to you on the basis of why you got rejected is the best phase, my friends, to upgrade yourself. And my YouTube platform is always there for you to keep providing free information on how to crack interviews and how to go ahead and guide yourself or probably automate your monetary growth and your career growth. Communicate. Please talk to your friends. Please talk to your family. That's going to keep you proactive in the mind and in the heart. So please keep doing that, my friends. Please do communicate. Please do stay positive. I hope this video of mine of good coach and bad coach is going to help you in the right way so that you make the right investments and don't end up wasting a lot of your time behind the wrong mentor or the coach. Thank you so much, guys. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe and share it with people who can benefit from this, and do not go through this loss of the wrong investment. Save the e-learning platform, my friends. Thank you so much. Take care of yourselves. Bye.